Hi, and welcome to the SpaceTEC Virtual Learning Center. My name is Al Kohler, and I'm the Executive Director here. On behalf of our team, I'm pleased to introduce you to a program designed to help you prepare for the SpaceTEC Core Certification Examination for Aerospace Technicians. As you can see, you're in a unique, one-of-a-kind learning environment where you are in charge of the entire process. On my right is a building directory showing the areas available to you. If you click one of the signs, you'll enter that class and will meet the instructor heading that area. At each learning station in this building, you'll find a desk or countertop with a computer and a call button for your use. In each room, you choose how you want to proceed. For example, if you want to know more about your instructor, click on the call button on the desk and you'll summon them to welcome you. When you finish viewing the welcome, the lesson will start on a screen with standard control features. Or if you want to go straight to the lesson itself, just touch the computer or screen instead of the call button and you'll be brought directly to the lesson. Down the left side of the screen are main topics for that learning module, and clicking on a title will take you to that section of the course. The title of your current lesson appears at the top of the screen, and under that title is the main page menu that never changes. You can go to the lobby, switch to another module, go back one screen from your current location, go to the next page of the lesson, or exit the center and return control to your own computer. Each page displays the primary information on the right center space. For each lesson using video, a viewer is provided with controls at the bottom for forward, reverse, pause, and stop. If you want to go straight through a learning module in sequence, you can use the button on the top menu to go through instructional modules from start to finish, one screen at a time. Finally, if you get confused, you can always get help by clicking on the Help button at the top right of the screen. Just behind this marquee is the administration area, where you can learn more about SpaceTEC certification exams in our national program. Down the hallway behind me are the laboratories and shops where your instructors await your visit. There's also a lecture hall and a technical library where you will find references and web links available for your use. If you prefer a tour, you can walk through the building using your mouse to navigate down the hall and into any room to start your program. Or to get really fancy, you can click on one of the signs in the hallway to enter a room and start your lesson. Use whichever method suits you best, or try them all to see which is most useful and most fun. Now let's go into a room to see how it works.
Each room in the center is equipped with a phone like this to call up the instructor who will introduce a module, and a screen like this on which the instructional videos and slides are presented. You can choose either to begin. And if you start with the instructor, the module will begin automatically once the introduction completes. Follow the navigation schemes described earlier and choose any sequence and approach you wish. Remember, you are in charge of how you decide to learn, and you can repeat any or all of the instructional material at any time. Enjoy your visit.
Here at the center, we have the support of a SpaceTEC team of subject matter experts who provide your lectures using PowerPoint slides and video clips. To get us started, let me introduce each of them to you. Frank Margiotta is our overall lead for the SpaceTEC program, and he oversees the certification examination. You'll want to visit him in the administrative area for an overview and general orientation for those aspects of our work. Hi, Frank.
Thank you, Dr. Kohler. Hello. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the SpaceTEC Core Readiness course. I currently serve as Program Manager for SpaceTEC, the National Science Foundation's Center of Excellence for Aerospace Technical Education. You're in among an elite group of individuals who have aspired for excellence to set the standard for the aerospace technician professional of the 21st century. Completing this course is an important step to enhancing your ability to successfully master the three-part core certification exam and demonstrates your commitment to maintaining competent aerospace standards and continued professional development. Please take a few minutes to visit the administrative area where my office is located. There, I'll provide you with a brief overview of SpaceTEC and the certification program, as well as the specific scoring criteria used to evaluate your performance. Good luck. Back to you, Dr. Kohler.
Thanks, Frank. Have a good day. In charge of the mechanical lab and teaching applied mechanics is Bill Fletcher, a NASA engineer with more than 30 years of aerospace experience. Say hello, Bill.
Thanks very much, and welcome to the Virtual Learning Center. I teach the Applied Mechanics segment of the Readiness course, and it will be my job to take you through a review of key areas such as machine shop safety, use of hand tools, drilling, making measurements, basic calculations, the different kinds of hardware and fasteners, and blueprint reading used in the work environment. When you're ready, I'll be in the mechanical lab awaiting your visit. Thanks for your interest in the SpaceTEC certification exam. Dr. Kohler, have a great day.
Thanks, Bill. I'll stop by later. Heading up our Material Sciences lab is Tom LaForge, an engineer with SAIC who has taught for us since the inception of our program. How you doing today, Tom?
Thank you, Dr. Kohler. Hello, my name is Tom LaForge. I'm your Materials and Process Instructor. I've been with the SpaceTEC Aerospace program since its inception and have over 25 years of experience as an aerospace technician and engineer. In our industry, we work with very specific materials and processes. This module provides you with an overview of these materials and how they are used in aerospace. We can't cover every aspect of this complex topic in a summary, but we'll identify the key areas you should know and will provide information where you can learn more if needed. I look forward to seeing you in the class.
Thank you, Tom. Katie Knettel runs the Tests and Measurements lab, where she brings a wealth of real-world experience as a certified specialist in areas like thermography and radiography. Welcome, Katie.
Thanks. Hello, I am your instructor for the Aerospace Tests and Measurements Readiness course. I am very pleased you have decided on a career in the aerospace industry. Every day I'm glad that I did, and I look forward to sharing some of what I've learned with you. When you're ready to learn about measurements and non-destructive testing, please visit me in the Measurements Lab, and we'll have a chance to share special areas of the operation that are not well known outside the business. I look forward to working with you. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Katie. Keep up the good work. Ron Lucas teaches aerospace safety in the lecture hall and also for almost every organization working at the Kennedy Space Center and Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Hi, Ron.
Thank you, Dr. Kohler. Hello, as Dr. Kohler stated, my name is Ron Lucas. For the past 15 years, I have served as the lead technical instructor for safety here at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. In this capacity, I am charged with the responsibility to oversee development, implementation, and delivery of required training to ensure center compliance with all federal, state, and local policies. My current position provides many unique opportunities and challenges that must be met in a zero-defect environment we call the aerospace industry. Failure is not an option. I look forward to facilitating you in the lecture hall as you journey through my module I refer to as Aerospace, Safety, and You. Thank you, Dr. Kohler.
Thank you, Ron. Our newest instructor is Jerome Fulmer, an aerospace electrical engineer who runs the electrical lab and also teaches basic electricity. Good to see you, Jerome.
Thank you. I'll be your instructor for the Basic Electricity Readiness Review. I work at Brevard Community College and I'm currently teaching classes in basic electricity, electronic fabrication, and fiber optics. In my aerospace career, I've worked on a number of aerospace-related programs, including the Skylab Star Tracker and the Lunar Rover vehicle. It's an honor to be able to contribute to the SpaceTEC program as an instructor. You can find me in the electrical lab, and I look forward to seeing you in class. Thanks, Dr. Kohler.
Thanks, Jerome. I'll see you soon. Last but not least, I teach Introduction to the Aerospace Workplace in the Technical Library. Hi, my name is Al Kohler, and I greeted you when you first entered the center. For the next few minutes, it will be my privilege to provide you with an introduction to the aerospace workplace. Whether you're an old hand getting ready to take the certification exam or a new candidate preparing for your first job in the business, you'll find this brief overview a useful summary of key aspects of the workplace, its history, and some of the major elements that make aerospace one of the most exciting career fields anyone could enter. Well, that completes your orientation. What happens next is up to you. You can stay as long as you want, leave whenever you wish, and return as many times as you'd like. When you're ready, I suggest you start with the area that interests you most. If you aren't sure where to begin, go see Frank Margiotta for an overview of the SpaceTEC program, or come and join me for a general introduction to the aerospace workplace. All of us at SpaceTEC hope you enjoy every minute of your time with us. We look forward to seeing you on the roster of successful candidates who are about to become certified aerospace technicians. Good luck and Godspeed.